Hey everybody, I'm going to attempt, which is pretty easy, a few minute job when it comes down to it. I just want to make sure I do it right, like we always do, and that is going to be putting in the window deflectors for obviously the front and back windows. So that's going to be my next chore. Beautiful fall Canadian day. Let's see if we can get it done. I'll probably do little bits of videos to keep the process pretty clean and pretty quick. Talk soon. All right, so it looks like it's time to clean these windows or install, and they basically have you clean the inside. So a little wipe, a little alcohol wipe, get all the grease and dirt out of it. Pretty simple. One thing you got to do is there's a little clip that goes in the bottom corner here to then jam in and help set the space for the deflector. So it's in, this is clean, and here's the deflector, of course, corner first, and in the back, they say do not be afraid to bend and twist this because it is shatterproof, is what they say. So you just jam it in the channel. It looks like definitely have to twist and do tightness there. Oh, that didn't work. Try that again. Probably the fun you have to do with this. It needs to sit on that metal piece is what I was told, so that it sits right. So we'll keep it on there. So it's on there, it's jammed in, and we're going to twist it up the channel. That doesn't work. Ooh, that is tight. Looks like we're almost there. Oh my goodness. That probably is not going to come out now. There you go. It's in the channel. That piece is there. And then basically, you're supposed to bring the window in slowly. The unfortunate part about this is that Ford has that, well, it's a good thing. If you get your finger stuck in the window, it automatically opens so that you're no longer jammed in there. So that's the only other part of it. But I think this is amazing. Stuck in there good. And I don't have to worry about the tape on the outside, it's all inside. So score, pretty tight looking window deflector, and now I can hopefully not get the rain as much inside. I'll do the rest and then maybe give you a last look at it. Okay, now I'm doing the back window. So one of the things, again, I cleaned it out as did, but I need to add these little parts to it. I'm assuming to, again, make pressure within the channel to keep it tight. So you got to go into the channel, grab the rubber seal, jam this piece in there inside the channel with the little piece, little clip hanging out. I guess that's probably what's going to squeeze it tight together. This side. Obviously they give you this little tool to help this, which is pretty good. Once you get in there, okay, so the two pieces are there. Now it's just placing the back piece in. I'm just trying to make sure these pieces are pretty close to the middle of this little groove. You can see a little groove there. Trying to make sure they're in the middle. And you start from the back, is what you do, and go up and under in the channel those little clips that we just put in, and that is actually how simple this back one is. It's a lot easier than the front, as I just showed. And one thing I was missing from the front, and I struggled with it to have the window closed, was I forgot to use this little plastic piece to jam up there. So anyways, I'll show you at the end what it all looks like, and obviously the window's closed because you got to keep it for 72 hours so that everything molds in there and it's all sticky, etc. So I'm actually looking forward to having this gun complete. Let's show you in the end. All right, here is the finished product. Again, just to remind you, this little piece goes here so that it sits on it. You make sure you jam and twist it in and it's holding. Obviously the windows are closed, but come on. It looks like it just actually fits the truck. It's perfect. Should have been there in the first place. Well, there you go, a little quick install. Probably took me 10-15 minutes as I tried to figure out the little things. But now I'm just gonna let it sit for 72 hours and we should have this complete. Guys, until next time, like, subscribe, all that fun jazz. Talk soon.